Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome pregnancy tests from Pregmate. So I am a serial pregnancy test taker. I will take 1,000,000 of them, and as you probably know if you're watching this video, pregnancy tests are so expensive. So I love that you can get a lot here for a quarter of the price of drugstore pregnancy tests. I have found these to be accurate, and I like that they are the pink dye, so they typically show up a little bit sooner than the blue dye tests. They're really easy to take. All you do is you pee in a cup, you put the test in for 5 seconds, and then you let it rest on a flat surface for 5 minutes, and then you can easily read it. 2 lines mean positive, 1 line means negative. So very easy to use, and it is a good quality product that I definitely recommend, and that is my point of view.